Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Viacheslav Matsiuk, and this is second part of our study, and we forecast on this study, we forecast a reduction in emission levels through the most rational, in our view, method of delivering grain within global supply chains from Ukraine. We set out in this study there are two scientific tasks in this study. First, to develop a mathematical simulation model of multimodal grain transportation involving road, rail, and water transport. And a third task develop a methodology for assessing the negative impact of the transport sector in multimodal grain transportation. As is known, the method of transportation is the multimodal method of transportation is the most rational and is technically feasible for Ukraine. There are three subsystems in this technological line. First, it's distribution of grain from producers to land point of concentration of cargo mass by road transport. Second subsystems, it's railway subsystems, mass transportation of grain by railway roads. And third subsystems, mass transportation of grain by sea lines. Optimization model. Objective functions include two big parts. First part, it's summary times of wait for work for take operations, and second part, it's time delay for work of technological operations. And we have some requirements. The most important requirements is optimization level of utilization using of vehicles in this process. This simulation model more difficultly than we can see in our first report. These simulation models complete from 5 agent populations. First population is road subsystem. Second population is railway subsystem. Third populations, it's water subsystems. And fourth populations, it's other agent populations. It's agent presentation of an information message about the availability of ready-to-ship consignment. And cargo model populations, it's unit of cargo generations. And this model, cargo model, is the 1 ton of cargo. According to this principle, we developed a simulation model. This model complete three big subsystems. First, turnover of railroad, road transport, lorry, track. Second subsystems, it's turnover rail, vehicle, trains. And third subsystems, it's turnover vehicle of sea lines, ship, bulker. Presentation of this simulation you can see on this slide. We developed our model by example of Mykolaiv seaport and one of region near the Mykolaiv seaport. Blue point, you can see it's empty track. Yellow point, it full track. Green point, it's train, and ship. Yes. Result of this simulation of this experimental modeling, we find optimal parameters of these subsystems. It's first table and second table. We comparisons of optimal parameters, first and second imitation model from our first report and our second report, and the important result of our researching is level of carbon emission from 1 ton of cargo transportation and 1,000 ton-kilometers of transportation by grain. And can you see a difference? It's very big. It's about 92% by 1 ton and by 1,000 ton-kilometers. Conclusions of this research you can see on this slide. Thank you for your attention.